Today I saved the world. What's up, guys? I'm here to fix this charity van, and the window isn't going down, and someone's put a nice temporary repair there. So it's not working, and I'm here to fix it. Got no power at all on the switch. Is the switch working? Yep. So the customer said that he swapped the switch over as well, and it hasn't made any difference. So I'm thinking that the wires in here are broken. So I'm just going to open this up and then have a look behind there. So I can't find any broken wires at the moment. Probably need to get a bit more slack, so I'm going to remove this door card and then have a better look. Something's been wired in here aftermarket, because that is not normal. So whoever's done that could have just gone straight through the pins and straight through the other one. Well, I guess they couldn't really bother to just done this stupidity, but yeah. So I've taken the door card off, obviously, and this wire here, I've disconnected it so I can actually pull it through here now. As I've got the slack, I started seeing some of this water coming out, so I just know I'm gonna find broken wires now. I'm gonna slide this rubber into the door so I can expose the wiring. Okay, so the rubber loom is in there now, and now I can see the wires, right? And look, broken wires, mate. Yuck. So guys, I just decided that I'm gonna have to replace the door harness. It's not very expensive, it's like £110. So I've just quoted him for the part and the labour to do that, but I'm gonna have to come back. Yeah. Just having a little wander around this little charity shop. I've got really old people smell in here though. I smell some curry cooking as well. Okay, yeah, they've got some old people eating their dinners and that. Cool. It's worth. Put it in the... Oh, no. So after drying it and letting this smoke settle a little bit, I've noticed that it's just one wire that's broken. So I'm just going to rejoin this wire and then leave it up to them to decide whether or not they want to repair this, which will then allow us to seal this correctly so the water won't get in here anymore. But it's a charity and they're crying out about how they don't have any money, so that's the little joint that I've made there. It's not a heat shrink joint. I've run out of stuff, man. I need to reorder proper. Just taped it up now, and then I'll slide that cover back on, and then yeah, hopefully the window starts working. That's that now, put back together. Hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, so I've plugged everything back up now, except this. I need to remember to put that on, but we can do a little test now. Look at that. Winning. That's what happens when I turn up. Get me. Alright. The day I saved the world.